Hello my dear students, this is your guide and mentor for organic chemistry, and we are these days taking few named reactions which are very significant for GPAT, for your NIPER examination, plus of course they cover your important syllabus of the degree papers, especially semester 3 Pharmacy. We're talking about a reaction called as Feast-Bainary synthesis. Easy, simple. It is a synthesis reaction for synthesizing furan. What is a furan ring? All of us know that furan is a 5-membered ring containing one oxygen with double bonds, or we say with aromaticity. So हम यहाँ पर we are going to synthesize furan by Feast-Bainary synthesis. What are the reagents that we use? If we know this, then I guess we know the entire reaction and we know the entire mechanism also. So we are going to react alpha haloketone with beta carbonyl compound. Student find it difficult ऐसे words आए तो इसको बनाए कैसे? How do we write the structure of alpha haloketone? So let us first understand what is alpha haloketone. See, this is carbon. This is my ketone. All of us understand this is my ketone. I am not concentrating on the valencies right now. This is my carbon with a ketonic group. This is my carbon which is alpha to this carbon, and this carbon is having a halo group. So this becomes alpha haloketone, correct? Then how do I write a beta carbonyl compound? A beta, I should say beta dicarbonyl compound. Now how do I write beta dicarbonyl compound? Understand, this is A, 2, T. This is for example one carbon. This carbon is alpha to this carbonyl group. This carbon is beta to this carbonyl group. So, so this would be beta. इसका इसके साथ रिलेशन क्या है? बीटा. या फिर अदरवाइज देखो तो ये अल्फा और इसके लिए ये बीटा. तो ये बीटा पे डाई दो carbonyl compounds. So these are my starting materials that I am going to use. These are the starting materials that I am going to use to show Feast-Bainary synthesis. Now let us see what I am going to do. I am going to react this with this to give me furan. Okay. Now how I am going to proceed with the mechanism with all of you. ठीक है, ताकि हम समझ सके कि कैसे. अदरवाइज हम रिएक्शन लिखना है तो दिस रिएक्शन विद दिस टू गिव यू फ्यूरन, बस हो गया. लेकिन अगर मेरे को समझते हुए जाना है तो लेट मी सी द मैकेनिज्म आल्सो. So let us have a look at the mechanism in detail. I will write this beta dicarbonyl compound like this. This carbon I am writing C double bond OH वैसा लिख दिया, और यहाँ पे लिख दिया ये C double bond O और ये वाला H. Now see how this beta dicarbonyl compound undergoes keto-enol tautomerism. Please do watch my video on keto-enol tautomerism so that you understand it in details. ठीक है, देखिए ये वाले कार्बन और ये वाला कार्बन दोनों साइड पे डबल बॉन्ड है, और ये वाला is your alpha hydrogen. क्या होता है? Alpha hydrogens are highly acidic, so it will leave the system, formation of a double bond here. Double bond will move to give you a negative charge on oxygen. ठीक है, और क्या हो गया? Because this oxygen is negative, the positively charged proton will come and attack on this oxygen. तो मुझको क्या मिल गया? मुझको मिल गया ये CH, C डबल बॉन्ड OH, डबल बॉन्ड, okay, CH, सिंगल बॉन्ड OH. This is nothing but an example of keto-enol tautomerism. ठीक है, तो ये हमने सिर्फ बीटा डाइकार्बोनिल कंपाउंड को keto-enol tautomerism से कन्वर्ट कर लिया. अब देखिए how this reacts with alpha haloketone. तो मैं अल्फा हेलोकीटोन को लिखूंगी कैसे? मैं लिखूंगी इसको CX ना, सिंगल बॉन्ड C डबल बॉन्ड OH, और इस कार्बन पे भी यहाँ पर एक H, ताकि सबकी वैलेंसीज फुलफिल हो जाए. अब आप समझिए कि हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू जॉइन बोथ ऑफ देम टू प्रोड्यूस अ फ्यूरन रिंग. समझिए. So we have written the alpha haloketone and the beta dicarbonyl compound in this, and we want to imagine how we are going to synthesize furan. Now see how this is going to occur. See, for example, there is shift of electrons towards oxygen. So O will bear a negative charge, correct? And this carbon will now bear a positive charge. समझ में आई बात? और यहाँ पर if this proton is lost, this carbon is still alpha to the carbonyl group and this proton is highly acidic. So this proton will be lost out of the system, this will go out of the system, ठीक है, leaving electrons on this carbon, मतलब this carbon will become negative. So this negatively charged carbon will attack on this positively charged carbon and the positively charged proton will go and attack on the negatively charged oxygen. तो अब इमेजिन कीजिए कि क्या बनेगा, हमको मिलेगा क्या, ये कार्बन और ये कार्बन के बीच में बॉन्ड, ठीक है, ये H एज इट इज, ठीक है, C डबल बॉन्ड OH, क्लियर, ये डबल बॉन्ड एज इट इज, ये CH एज इट इज, ये OH एज इट इज, यहाँ पर ये CH एज इट इज, ये X यहाँ पर आ गया और यहाँ पर ये हो गया OH. That is clear to you? Then now see what is happening. There will be loss of this HX, right? To give you what? CH, single bond CH, यहाँ पर ये OH, ये कार्बन ये ऑक्सीजन के साथ जुड़ गया क्योंकि यहाँ से HX चला गया, CH डबल बॉन्ड C, डबल बॉन्ड O, सॉरी C डबल बॉन्ड OH. अब हमारा बहुत हद तक फ्यूरन दिख रहा है, सिर्फ एक डबल बॉन्ड की कमी है यहाँ पर. तो इमेजिन कीजिए दिस H is outside the system and there is now loss of water here. So what will be formed is I will get nothing but CH double bond CH. करेक्ट, एक हाइड्रोजन है ना यहाँ पर, राइट, CH डबल बॉन्ड CH, सिंगल बॉन्ड O, CH डबल बॉन्ड C, single bond C double bond OH. मतलब I am getting nothing but a type of furanaldehyde. So it is nothing but feast binary synthesis is a synthesis which can give me a substituted furan ring. ठीक है, this is all about the feast binary synthesis. I would want you to take the screenshot. I would want you to write this reaction again and again so that you have a grip. Unless you write it, you will not have a grip. Please do watch the video. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.